and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity, and when I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Also, people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So I hope you guys are having a great day so far. So for today's video, I wanted to bring you a fun look you can do for New Year's Eve. I love gold and black together for New Year's Eve. I think it's because like they always do like the decorations in gold and black, so it's like ingrained in my head that like those are New Year's Eve colors. But I do like them together anyway. So that's the look I decided to do. I will be using the Tati Beauty Volume 1 palette for this look, but you can use whatever blacks, browns, and gold glitter that you have to make this look work. I just happened to wanted to use this for this look because I knew it would come out nice. So I don't know what you guys do on New Year's Eve. I prefer now that I'm a little older. I like a more quieter, subdued New Year's Eve. When I was younger, I used to like to go out and go to parties and stuff like that. Now I like smaller, like family parties or friend parties. My parents actually do something every year, and it's nice because my cousins come and my siblings come, and it's just like small little fun get together with people I enjoy, and it's a nice way to ring in the new year. So I'm looking forward to it. I hope you guys have nice plans for New Year's Eve, and if you don't, I hope you're just going to relax and enjoy and look forward to a new decade starting in 2020. I can't believe it's already 2020. I remember when it was turning 2000. I was a junior in high school, and I remember like the Y2K thing was like huge, and now we're 20 years into the 2000s. So it's just crazy how time's gone so fast, but it's awesome. I always like to think of a new year, rather than, I know some people get like sentimental and sad, I like to think of it as like a new birth, a new start, like positivity. Like, yeah, it's sad now that the holidays are over and a whole year's done, but there's so much to look forward to in a new year. That's the energy I try and exude during New Year's, because I know sometimes people can get a little like sad or whatever. But it is a fun time and it's great, and I'm really looking forward to 2020. So before I keep rambling on though, let's get into how I created my fun, sparkly New Year's Eve eye look. So the first color I'm going to go into is this matte color Soothe right here. And I'm just going to go in on them with a Morphe 514 brush. And I'm just going to apply that to my crease and socket area, just going back and forth. This is a really pigmented color, and I've only, like I said, like I've only dipped my brush once and it's going on beautifully. I'm not going to have to dip my brush again. I just want to take a blending brush and smooth it out a little bit at the top. Then to lighten up my brow bone, I'm going to go into the color Aura, and I'm going to go into the metallic finish right here. And I'm just going in on a pencil brush with that. And I'm just going to take my Sigma E25 brush, and I'm going to go in to the color Memory, which is the black color, and I'm going to go into the sequin finish on it. And this I'm going to apply to my lower crease area and going a little bit on my mobile lid. And I really just want to make sure that Soothe and Memory kind of blend into each other pretty well. I don't want either color to get lost, but I don't want them to like stick out from each other like a sore thumb either. So I'm just going to take the brush that I had Memory on, Soothe on, I'm going to dip it again very lightly and just go over the top right here. Like that. And then I'm just going to take my blending brush and smooth everything out. So then I'm going to go into memory again, but this time I'm going to go into the metallic finish right here with my finger. I found the metallic finishes on this, like with a lot of metallic finishes, they pick up best on my finger. I tried to do it with a brush and it really did not like the way it applied. I didn't try it wet or anything, but it is what it is. So I'm going to apply that all over my mobile lid. So just like that. And because I love glitter, and like I said earlier, I love black and gold together, I'm going to go back into Soothe, but I'm going to go into the glitter finish. And I'm again going to take that on my finger, and I'm going to apply that to the middle kind of portion of my mobile lid. So it'll look like this so far. So off camera, I just finished the rest of my face makeup and finished this eye, and then on this side, I just went in with Urban Decay's 24/7 gel liner in the color Mainline, like I often do. And now I'm just going to take a small little brush, and I'm going to go back into the memory color, that's the black one, in the sequin finish, and I'm going to apply that under my lower lash line. And then I'm just going to take a small little blending brush and brush it out. Now I'm just going to take my pencil brush and I'm going to go back into the color Aura in the metallic finish, and I'm going to apply that to my inner corner. This is the whole look done right here. As you can see, it's very like glitter-tastic. I do have to say one thing about the glitter. I find that this glitter actually goes kind of all over the place, where when I used the glitter the other day, I didn't. So I don't know if it's just like a different, I guess, maybe in how they're put together. I have no idea. But I just did want to make a note of that. Plus I have hooded eyes anyway that are like downward. So even with glitter glue or anything, it's just gonna go, glitter is going to travel on my eyes. But overall, I am really happy with how this looked. I think it's fun and sparkly and a little dark, but not like too over the top for New Year's Eve. Of course, I paired it with a red lip because I do love a good red lip. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please feel free to give it a like. If you really liked it, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither, that is totally fine. I will still send you positive vibes and happy thoughts your way for the new year. So yeah, so everyone, happy new year, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you soon. As always, I will list everything that is on my face, along with my Twitter and Instagram handles below in case you want to follow me there. I post looks that I do not video and pictures of my pets, and I think they are adorable. Of course, I am biased, but that's okay. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope I will see you guys in the new year. And remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye.